Before you begin, remove the access panel, riser assembly if installed, and memory fan duct assembly. Removal. Important: there is an entry and premium version of the front I/O module. The entry version has 4 cables and the premium version has 5. Important: make careful note of the location and routing of all cables connected to the I/O module. Disconnect the front audio cable from the audio extension cable. If installed, disconnect the memory card reader cable from the system board. Disconnect the front I/O UI, FUSB, and FIO-P premium cables from the I/O module. Lift the blue external bay handle and slide the I/O module out of the external bay. Replacement. Lift the blue external bay handle and slide the I/O module into the external bay until it is flush with the front bezel. Release the blue external bay handle. Connect the front I/O UI, FUSB, and FIO-P premium cables to the I/O module. If installed, connect the memory card reader cable to the system board. Connect the front audio cable into the audio extension cable.